In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to alphabetize data in Google Sheets. First, open your Google Sheets document and decide exactly what you want to alphabetize. Click to select the column or the specific range of cells you want to sort. If your data spans multiple columns and you need related information to stay together on the same row, make sure your selection includes those columns too. This prevents names, IDs, or other details from getting out of sync. If you only need to rearrange one isolated list, selecting just that column is perfectly fine. Next, go to the top toolbar and click the Data menu. This is where all of the sorting tools live. You'll see two main options: Sort Range and Sort Sheet. Here's the difference. Sort Range only affects the cells you selected. It's ideal when you want to reorder one list or a small block of data without touching the rest of the sheet. Sort Sheet, on the other hand, sorts the entire sheet based on the column you currently have active. Use this when your whole dataset is connected and you want every row to move together according to one column. When the sorting box appears, choose how you want to alphabetize. A, Z for ascending order, which puts A at the top and Z at the bottom, or Z, A for descending order. Ascending is the most common choice for lists like names or categories, but descending can be handy when you want to see items starting from the end of the alphabet. If the first row of your selection contains headers, like name, email, or department, turn on the option that says Data has header row. This tells Google Sheets not to sort that header with your data, keeping it fixed at the top where it belongs. Once your choices look right, confirm to apply the sort. Your data will instantly reorder alphabetically based on the column you selected. If anything looks off, don't worry. Use Undo to revert immediately and try again with the correct selection or option. A quick tip: before you sort, double-check that you haven't accidentally included totals or notes at the bottom of your list. Those should usually be excluded so they don't get mixed into the sorted data. That's it. With just a few clicks, select Data, choose Sort Range or Sort Sheet, pick A, Z or Z. A, check the header option if needed, and confirm. You can neatly alphabetize your information and make your sheet easier to read and use.